Welcome to 3313 The Spa, located right here at the entrance in the 3000 buildings. This is a gorgeous 2-bedroom, 2-bath, second home vacation rental. Nicely furnished, great appliances, sink, tile, and laminate floors, in-room washer dryer, comfortable setting. The first bedroom has a bathroom right off. This is set up with a queen, just picture perfect, ready for guests to come and enjoy. Got a nice tub and bath with a surround. This unit has a brand new HVAC right there. Works precisely the way it needs to. Here's a king in the primary, smart TVs all the way around. This bathroom is very similar to the other with the surround and a tub. It's got some safety grab bars, tile flooring, so it's got everything you need, ready to rock and roll, comfortable seating. Got this enclosed balcony. It is screened in for protection. Great for the winter and fall. This is offered at $305 with eXp Real Estate, Jim Kuchar, 706-294-2509. Call me for your individual tour or to put in an offer.